Today we are gonna be hunting ghosts.
What the heck? Guys,
Oh shit. Oy.
Bakit yung face ko nawala? What the fuck?
Why do you look like that? Why do you look like that?
siguro!
Mukha ka talaga old hag.
Sa match na kayo?
Look, really? Obama.
Immunology.
Starting!
Did my face change? Pati nga Jared, did my face?
I have no clue, bro. Can look at me.
Yes.
What
Oh, you're in the
what?
dark. You're in the darkness, bro.
Team Truck.
We blacklight
Oh.
naman.
Englishman.
Ako na magsa-spirit box.
We guys na nakuha kahit isa.
What?
Ay! Laser projector? Oh.
What?
Video camera.
Ang holy
Flower
oil.
pot.
Ako chat. Where the fuck go?
Jared,
Can't move.
vlog.
Hindi kita makita, ano ba?
Wala bang ilaw dito?
Carly.
Kasi nagte-teleport siya.
Huwag naman lahat di ba?
Yeah, pero kasi like, naggagalaw siya ng gamit eh. It's like moving
Oh.
stuff.
So, yung games,
Lights?
Ay, ito na lights.
Wait, punta kayo sa bathroom. Master bedroom,
Woo! Para saan yung... Asan yung blacklight, Carly? Can I have your blacklight?
Wait.
Black light.
What the heck? Kala yung blacklight.
Paano mag-drop?
G.
G.
As G.
Usual.
Do you want us to leave? Yo soy Eldora. Do
ang
you want
cute.
us to leave?
Ayun yun, bro. Sabi na yun.
Where are you? Oh,
What the heck? Oh!
are you near?
Where the fuck?
Shit.
Can you speak, fucker?
Guys, cold temperature ata.
Oh, what is this? Oh, never mind.
Guys, feeling
Sasakit
Oh,
ako yung...
guys! Handprint!
Huh?
Look!
handprint.
Yung yung EMF. Who has
Wala tayong
EMF, bro?
EMF. Hindi
Are you in the room with me?
Akin na lang. May bigay mo sa akin dyan. Give me the EMF.
Are you in the room with me?
EMF nasa side.
Where?
Is there a ghost here?
I don't think
Are you
it's the
near?
ghost room, bro.
Nasa inyo pa ba ibang gamit?
Yo, nagbibigyan... Di ba dapat nagsasalita to?
Ah.
Are you in the room
What
with me?
is this room, bro? Damn, they got a cool boy.
What the fuck
bro.
do you use a spirit box? Nag-red siya when I try to speak. Where are you?
Where are you?
Oh.
I can't see shit. Where am I? Why is there no free light?
Where are
Wait.
you?
Ivan.
Are you in the room with me? Yes. Ay, sorry. Can we increase the, can we increase the difficulty? Naka tayo.
Wow.
Hindi pa na
Naka-easy tayo eh.
Hindi pa na-unlock. Uy,
Naka-easy
sa
Age 44? It was a minute.
success.
Equipment.
My fault. My fault! Oh, you know, more flashlights.
Bumili ako.
Can I have the camera? Thank you.
I'm not fucking using this build.
Ay,
Ginawa ko yung temperature siya yung spirit box. Oh, we're fuck nag-hunting na.
yeah, po. Can't
Yeah,
see
po.
shit, people.
Yung dilim wala akong makita.
Share this.
Saan yung EMF?
Ayun.
Ivan nasa
Paano gamitin
EMF.
sa shoulder suit?
I got
Ano, lights?
I got temperature.
May salt canister dito. What the hell? Chan, nasa EMF.
Yes, sir.
Hanapin mo yung ghost room.
I am trying, madam.
Find it!
Yeah.
May basement. Tara na,
I have
basement.
salt in my hand. Oh shit.
Close
Lagay
the
ko yung
door,
salt.
please.
Oh shit. Ivan! Sorry. Tingnan mo yung sahig.
Wow!
My bad.
Oh.
Chan, come over here.
What?
That is some good kush.
Number 2 ba?
I'm on that good kush in alcohol.
Where's the ghost room? Oh! My BMF! My BMF! EMF level 5!
5?
5. Get up.
Okay.
Play music. Wait lang, may narinig ko nag-wail. There was like a wailing. It might be a banshee again. May narinig
Saan
ko.
nag-offer dyan?
Oh!
I don't know.
Guys, it's not a banshee. It's not a banshee. It's not a banshee.
It's a black light!
Pre. The temp is going down. Still going down.
Hanap kayo fingerprints, guys. Or ano. Like,
Asan laser?
Blacklight.
Starlight plays the laser. Oh,
may window!
Nabul ako.
may window!
Oo nga, laser nga. Laser yan.
Take the ball, bro.
It's a light.
Laser projector?
Yeah.
Ah.
Ivan's erased! What?
What the fuck is the camera? Sino hindi nag-picture? I'm really.
Bro, that was so easy! Can we make it even harder?
Yes.
What the heck? Level 2! Woohoo!
Yo, look at the mouth though. I think you can do freaky things with that.
Okay,
The hell is that?
okay, nightmare tayo.
Wala pa nga eh.
Ang map tas nightmare. Oh my days, bro. I will take EMF. I'll take a flashlight.
Take some monitors.
Thermal.
Ano spirit box na?
I will take a
The
spirit
fuck to
book.
my flat?
Oh.
I'm gonna use the blacklight then. Oh, nasa projector.
Guys, open the light.
Jared,
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are gonna be hunting ghosts.
What the heck? Guys,
Oh shit. Patay si Jan. Ay, gagi, pinatay din ako. Pinanood ko mamatay si Jan, pinatay din ako.
We all died. What the fuck was that? Sabi niya, oh, hard mode ha, madali lang pala.
Ivan, tingnan mo katawan mo.
I don't wish to be revived.
it's hunting.
Ivan, tignan mo katawan mo.
Doing to me? What's he doing to me?
Nag-hunt
Uy.
ako, pre.
Carla, you're fucked.
Hunting. Carla?
Carla,
Good shit.
it's fast.
Oh shit. OS tayo lahat.
That's a demon.
Hindi,
That's a
it's a
demon.
Di ko napindot.
That's a demon, bro.
Bro, that EMF going crazy on that beat.
It's a demon ba? It's a on. What? Ba't may TikTok lo?
Ani?
Kalo TikTok.
It's an
Nakanin na ba yung EMF? Nagigil ako.
yo, I got a Ouija board. Give me some kind of thing.
Oh! I saw the ghost!
Where are you?
Nakita ko siya sa labas! Hawak ko to!
I'm gonna receive.
Laser,
Oh shit.
Projector!
N.
Laser!
Shut the fuck up. D. R. Lagay ko where are you? O. Bed. M. Bedroom.
Nakita ko siya dun! Guys, nakita ko siya dun! Laser projector!
You wanna
Guys!
get
Laser projector!
bedroom?
Laser projector! Listen
Hey.
to me!
Wala sa kanya. Wala sa akin laser.
Guys, laser
Get
projector!
the
Guys!
bedroom with me. Wala kaya.
Bro, may G-Live, B-Live, bro! It's the laser projector!
Oo nga, okay. Sure. Sige. Higher.
We need the ghost room. I'm fucking scared the ghost is outside.
Why is bro?
There's probably a ghost room.
Why is bro?
The homeless ghost, bro.
E. That. I. E. N. What do you mean?
Oh, hunting!
Oh, hell na.
Hunting!
Oh, hell.
Oh my god! I'm dead!
He's going crazy! Oh my god!
Pinobot ko na tayo, man.
Oh my god! What is going on?
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
He juked the ghost! He juked the ghost!
Okay lang.
What the fuck?
Ah!
What was that? Chat, what the fuck was that? He was. What the fuck is the camera outside? Whoa, look at this, guys.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh damn! He's dead!
Ah,
Huh?
Grabe.
Ghost riding Ghost Orb handprints?
Paper tayo.
Let me turn off the lights, bro. Why is Scarlet left? Why is Scarlet dancing? Who's singing?
Alright.
Oh, si Scarlet.
Ito talaga yung ghost room?
Ah,
Are you sure?
nag-ano dito kanina eh, EMF 3. What the heck?
Yan pa ako music box.
Oh na! Oh na! Oh na! Something! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's right there! It was right there! Ah, he won! I was dead! I was dead! Jared! People! I hate you! No! No! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Ring around the rosy! Ring around, ring around! Ujuk! I'm dead! Ah! Gulat ako! Nagulat ako! Nagulat ako!
patay ka na, Art. Patay ka na rin, Ivan.
Kawawa si Carline!
Open the door na.
Hindi natin matapos tong map na to!
They all dead. Oh. They all died.
Hindi natin matapos!
Pwede ba tong evidence?
Where are the light bulbs?
Ay, ay.
What?
Yo.
Wait lang. May ginamit akong music box eh.
Where the fuck is the EMF?
Hindi yung... Die box.
Asan yung EMF? Ang ingay! What's
Parang
funny?
sa dive book, Jared, nasa stun siya pag music box. Nag-activate siya nung nag-music box.
Ivan natin kasama.
Carline! Check EMF, bro! Check EMF!
Hindi kami neg.
Yep, Carline's dead. Carline's dead. Carline's dead.
Oh, hell no.
Carline, run! Is he dead?
Oh,
Oh my god.
wala tayo evidence na.
Kung kasi siya ni, sabi mo tuloy, mahirap. Yan tuloy.
Ako!
Ito mahirap, diba? You want it hard. You want it hard.
Entity, bro.
Kakakanta mo ay magagalit yung multo.
Patayin doon si Jared.
Mamatay si Jared. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ah, Jared, stop breaking. Salamin, binasag niya.
Guys, paano kung aswang siya? Kasi may aswang ako.
Death? Oh my days. Ginaw, quick.
Evidence.
Spirit box. May evidence. Alright, everything slows.
Kaya pa-check kung pabandi ng temperature, maghanap ako na.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Ayo.
Laser!
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Oni ba?
Are you sure? May laser? Are you sure?
Ano pa bang evidence? Ano bang evidence? Anymore?
Counted. Feeling counted na diba yung 4.10?
No, basta negative. Negative dapat.
Wala pang freezing. Wala pang freezing. So it's either an entity, an Oni, or a rate.
Pag namatay yung
Teleport.
level 2,
Not bro.
EMF, Ivan, can you move? EMF level 2.
Oni.
Orny.
Nagsisprint ba siya? Pag nag-hunt?
I have no idea.
May power right here. You hear power?
Nakanin yung fingerprint.
Check. I see nothing.
Okay. Guys, may tatry ako Asukal!
Wow! Oh, that intense for assault.
Yan, no. Okay, it's a rate. It's a rate.
Ano ito?
It's a rate.
Bakit?
Rate, they disturb salt.
Kala, the rate means they refuse to disturb salt.
Ay, they don't? Wait.
Agree.
May handprint. Oh, fuck.
Why here?
It's haunting, bro.
It's after me.
Caroline, scream if you die. I don't hear her. He's dead. He's dead. Caroline died, I think, somewhere. I heard him say, "Mom." Where did he die? Alright. Enough. Stop. Not again. Getting, Ivan, get in. Close the door.
I'm locking in the Oni.
What is that? Footsteps, bro.
I'm locking ko na yung Oni. Kasi they're hunting more often.
Alright. Wait lang, wag muna yan, oh. Kung Oni... Freezing temps? Bro, it might be freezing temps, bro. Or ghost orbs. It could be freezing temps. I have no idea. Wait, Oni. Spirit box, freezing temps. It's an Oni, bro. Ivan. I'm dead. Holy crap, bro. I hear Ivan. Dog. Where's Ivan? Oh, it's right here. I see you. Alright, let's go. pa yung mga evidence. Alright, let's go. Let's leave. So, tapos na kami horror game. Yung basta yung parang fast mo ba na yun? Wala. Nag-grow guard na lang ako kasi wala na ako malaro. Naka-defen ako sa Discord ngayon. So, kita na lang next video. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung magiging next video. Oh my days. Grown. Alright. You guys hungry?